Welcome, I'm from the XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using a home screen as an example for this. And when it's open and visible, press power key and volume down, or hold in this case. There we go. Once you hold it, it gives you this pop-up right here. Now the first time you do it, it will stay a little bit longer just so you can read exactly what you can do. So you can capture a scrollable screenshot and share it. Additionally, you have another way of capturing a screenshot by pulling down the notification panel and locating the screenshot toggle right here. It does basically the exact same thing. And going to the last option, which is the scrollable screenshot, as you've seen, there is an option like that. When you capture a normal screenshot and you can scroll down on a page, you can tap right over here. This will start scrolling down. You can tap on it to stop it from scrolling down and grab it yourself and scroll down however far down you want to, with a little bit more precision. From there, you can tap on done and check mark it or save it right here, and that will create a longer version of a screenshot. Now all those screenshots can be found in our photo gallery and under albums and screenshots. And there we go, as you can see, there are the 3 different screenshots. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.